Hi everyone, and welcome back to Andy's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make hibiscus drink. Hibiscus drink is popularly known in West Africa as bisap or sobolo. Hibiscus drink is known to regulate blood pressure. So let's get on with it. Here are what you need to make your hibiscus drink. You need a hibiscus flower, sugar, and a handful of ginger. Here is our big pot filled with water. The water is almost to the brim. So we turn on our stove, we put it on high heat. We are going to add our hibiscus flower. I am going to measure it so you see how much I put in it. So this is 1 cup. One cup. 2 cups. And I'll just put the rest. Here is our ginger. I washed and chopped them into pieces, put them in a blender, added water, and blended it to this. So once again, I'm just gonna use the cup to measure. So this gave us 1 cup, a little bit over 1 cup. So I'm just gonna put it in here. Leave it on the stove to boil. You can cover it, but if you cover it, you have to keep an eye on it because sometimes it rises and it will go into the stove. Or just cover it halfway like that and keep an eye on it and let it boil for about 20 minutes. So see you in 20 minutes. Alright, so our 20 minutes is up. I am going to turn the stove off and I'm going to add my sugar. So I'll add 1 cup first, 2 cups of sugar, put it away, and then we stir. Then I am going to taste, see if I have enough sugar fraction. But if you taste and you feel like you need to add more sugar, please go ahead and add more sugar. It is perfectly fine. So after that, you leave your hibiscus drink to cool down, and once it cools down, you pass it through a strainer to take out the particles, and then put them in bottles in 1 liter or 2 liter and put it in the fridge. Here is my hibiscus drink. It turned out so well. I am going to have it with the donuts that I did in my first video. If you haven't seen it yet, the link is on the screen. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. And if you like this video, please give me a thumb up. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.